We grew up in the restaurant business, working for my father. He was a chef. It's a dream come true. It's the American dream. I was washing my truck, and I get on top of the truck, barefooted. My leg got stuck, and I saw the windshield crack with my neck.
This is a traumatic injury, with the windshield and the glass and being cut. And he had torn the soft tissues and the ligaments. He had to rebuild the structures so he could lift his toe up again.
I was really scared. I didn't think I was going to be able to, walk, be normal again.
The great toe or the big toe is the most important for stability and balance.
I was surprised how fast I healed. Everything came back together, and you can't even see the scar. Thank God and him for fixing that, because he did a perfect job. Because, Phoebe, that's a great hospital, and we're blessed.
I just appreciate you and how we've grown together over these years, taking care of your family and getting to know them. Everybody.